食完早餐啦，但係
我有 content。
唔係啊，本來諗住 vlog 㗎啦，唔記得咗 vlog， 跟住見到佢太開心喺度玩，之後有食剩咗嘅早餐，食埋佢咯。食完早餐啊，跟住有啲色用得都幾得意，即係幾特別咯。呢隻碟超靚喎！咦，咁多？而家我哋嚟到，我哋係咪 chocolate workshop 啊？跟呢個係橙，係咪橙皮啊？橙皮嚟㗎。橙皮嚟㗎。啊，係啊，係啊，係啊，係啊，係啊。啊，呢部嚟玩嘅咧，其實係 Ellie 㗎。跟住呢度咧，呢度有隻熊貓㗎，我翻到香港都要買款。OOTD 有人嚟緊。Oopsie 都幾靚啊！都幾靚。有啲熱添咁樣，睇上去簡單，做上去就難啦！哇！好似 cookie 餅啊 ！horizontally。點整㗎？就唔知㗎咋。一停一停。
Hey Nicole, how's it going?
It's really hard. I'm tired. It's only been 3. 黐咗一齊。
It's gonna be cool images.
Yeah! Done! Thank you! Hi! 好唔好玩啊？ And then I just 入掉係拍，唔係拎起去拍，係唔係唔放低嘅，唔放手嘅，一路拎，係啦，跟住拍，係啦，係啦，跟住直啊，即係 vertically， 係啦係啦，跟住又拍，係啦 ，yes。Can we stay here? 好啊。If you want to try, you want to try? 我喺嗰邊影。撳我睇撳，係啦撳。Yes。好開心啊！我已經係一個 chocolatier。可以寫入我個 resume 度啦，已經。呢件好靚啊，勁 QQ 啊！哇，呢件都好靚啊 ，pleated。哇，啲 pleats 好犀利啊！我哋而家係日餐。
And all these pieces are made by hand mostly.
好得意啊！呢條樓梯令我諗起 Morris 嗰條樓梯咯，都一樣咁舊，但係真係都幾靚。Elizabeth 好似個公主，但係唔可以要公主抹樓梯。而家突然之間好後悔冇讀 fashion 啦，但係 oh well。
哇！前2天剛跟學服裝的朋友在一起，看到這個一定會瘋掉。
頭先試咗呢條，啲 Ellie 試咗呢條，呢條好襯佢咯。我覺得你衣櫃可能都有啲差唔多，其實。離開靚啊！
It was designed by Ankar, but all the paints that you see have been designed by the painter himself. And so it's gold.
So who are the people in the painting?
This is at the top. This works of Hercules, Heracles. You know the hero from the Greek and Roman mythology, and under. It's a very common series of bucolic symbols. You know, it's life in the countryside, very totally perfect. While this part here is completely urbanized. It's a way.
William, what is this restaurant?
Le taverne passage.
I'm not gonna repeat that.
Le taverne passage.
Le taverne passage.
Perfect. You speak French?
No, I actually learned French.
Really?
Yeah, I learned it in primary school, and then again in middle school, and then again in uni. But I didn't pick up anything. 呢個係蝦，我同 Eli 唔食牛，所以佢整咗呢個雞嘅俾我哋。What is this in the middle? Do you know?
Chicken.
Oh, that's a lot of meat. 哦，好多肉誒，整個都是肉。我 cheers 呢個 ，cheers。頭先食飯就係呢個室內嘅 shopping area。咁其實佢個樣咧真係好靚咯，同埋多數因為呢度有個玻璃喺上邊咧，咁跟住你即係你影相會好靚咯，因為佢 diffuse 咗啲燈啦，好得意啊，好多玩具啊，好開心啊！一出嚟呢度咁熱，哦 ，there's a parade， 有嘉年華係咪啊？唔係喎。